Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to put a video in your Google Docs. Let's start the video. First, open your Google Drive. Now here, just click on New button, click on File Upload. Upload a video MP4 here, which you want to insert in your Google Doc. Just suppose I take this video. Now here you can see the video. What you have to do, just click on three dots. Now here you can see a share icon, share button, and there you can see a copy link. Just click on copy link. The link is copied. Now go back to your Google Doc. Just paste the link. Now here you can see the MP4 video is inserted in your Google Doc. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.